feather flew into the forest. My woman flew into the tree. She left me something in the morning, half-rotted apple on the leaf, inside a worm that says goodbye. She left an apple in my eye. That ain't no blackbird, baby. That ain't no blackbird flying low. That ain't no blackbird, baby. That ain't no sparrow come to sow. My feather flew into the forest. My woman flew into the tree. So in the evening I was restless. Now in the morning I am free. I ate that apple up for breakfast. Spilled my guts all on the leaves. That ain't no blackbird, baby. That ain't no blackbird flying low. That ain't no blackbird, baby. That ain't no sparrow come to sow. That ain't no blackbird, baby. That ain't no blackbird flying low. That ain't no blackbird, baby. That's death and dying come as crow. My feather flew into the forest. My woman flew into the tree. She took my watch but left a shadow. Sometimes I feel it on the breeze, but I just smile with the memory. Turn my eyes back to the light. Sometimes I think I see her flying. Well, I hope she's flying.